morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the some special angles for the trigonometry ratio for the exercise 8.2. In the previous classes I discussed about the exercise 8.1, almost all the questions. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter. Now look at here. Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree, cos 0 degree, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90, tan 0, tan 30, tan 40, tan 60, tan 90. These are some special angles for the trigonometry ratio. That means sine 0 degree. That means that with the help of some stochastic value, we can also represent the as a form of the trigonometry ratio. Look at here. Sine, if I want to take the examples of sine 30 degree, we can write or represent as 1 by 2. This is the ratio of your trigonometry some specific angles. We can similarly also represent as the given the angles with the help of that. In the previous classes, I discussed about the trigonometry ratio can be represented with the help of the two sides as a form of ratio. Suppose that if I write as sine theta, that means we should understand as P by H, where P is to H can be written by me as a form of the trigonometry ratio. This is the very simple. Here theta only represent that's the acute angle, but instead of the theta, I have given the lots of the specific angles from 0 to 90 degree, and from 0 to 90 degree these are called the complementary angles. You studied in the previous classes what are the complementary angles. Generally these are that vary the 0 to 90 degree, these are called the complementary angles. When we put these angles with the sine or cos, these are that exchange the some specific value with the help of it. Now today I am going to discuss about the some specific rules how to learn easy and understand this concept as an easy way. So dear student, first of all you should make these columns sine, cos, tan, and after that you can learn easy as just like the opposite vice versa. Suppose that cos 0 degree, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. First of all try to draw this table, okay, and after that decide what are the values desired for this type of the trigonometry, which is the form of the angles. Now sine 0 degree equals 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree 1, and for the cos 0 degree we have 1 cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree, the value of this the trigonometry ratios will be the 0. And last we can also identify here tan 0 degree equal 0, tan 30 degree equal 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree 1, tan 60 degree root 3, tan 90 degree infinite. Look at here. The value of tan 90 degree is considered the infinite. That means we can't able to give the exact value of the tan 90 degree. So instead of we will able to write directly the infinite form. When that give the some meanings of the tan 90 degree in the questions during the solutions, you can put the directly value infinite form. So these are the tables of the cos, sine, tan, and we first of all after that try to draw the opposite of the sine, cosec. Cosec 0 degree, cosec 30 degree, cosec 45 degree, cosec 60 degree, cosec 90 degree. Dear student, you learned the trigonometry ratio as a form of the specific angles of the sine 0 to sine 90 degree. Now you also know that sine is just like vice versa of the cosec, and that means what is the opposite of sine theta? That is your cosec. That means if the value of the sine theta as a form of 0 degree angle 0, that means cosec theta also that vary the about it the value of it So first of all, things about when so the value is 0 and you want to that find the opposite of the any trigonometric ratio of the 0, that will be the considered infinite. That will be the considered infinite here for the cosec 0 degree. Similarly, cosec 30 degree, what will be the value of the sin 30 degree? 1 by 2. So we need to find out the opposite. So 2. Cosec 45 degree. So first of all, think about the sin 45 degree. What is the value of sin 45 degree? 1 by root under 2. We can write simply sir root under 2. That is 1 is silent as a default form. And next cosec 60 degree. So also think about the sin 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60 degree? This is the root 3 by 2. So we can simply write as 2 by root 3. Okay. Cosec 90 degree. First of all, thinks about the sin 90 degree. This is the 1, and what is the opposite of 1? 1 opposite of the 1 is 1. This is the very simple. Okay, similarly we can try to write also the sec 0 degree, sec 30 degree, sec 45 degree, sec 60 degree, sec 90 degree. You know that sec is the opposite of the cos. Okay, so similarly we can also try to write the vice versa of the value of the given the cos. Now look at here, sec 0 degree. First of all, try to think about the what is the value of cos 0 degree. This is the 1, and what is the opposite of the 1? 1 is the 1. Okay, that means the 1 is the opposite of the 1. How can say that is 1 is the opposite of 1? That means 1 that in the denom part 1 is already hidden. When we try to inverse it, we can write as 1 by 1. So this is the simple. This is the simple. Next, sec 30 degree. We need to think about first of all cos 30 degree. The value of cos 30 degree root under 2 by root under 3 by 2. So we can simply write as 2 by root under 3. Sec 45 degree. So we can think about again cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. So we write directly root 2. Cos 60 degree. We have the cos 60. Sorry, sec 60 degree. And things first of all cos 60 degree about the value 1 by 2. So we can write simply 2 by 1 or 2. Okay. Sec 90 degree, we have the cos 90 degree for the 0. And one thing remember that if 0 is the value as a form of the some special angle of the trigonometric ratio, and you need to want or find the opposite of the anything else of the trigonometric ratio, so we can directly write 0 is the opposite as infinite form, or infinite is the opposite of the 0. These are the vice versa, and that means the same. Okay, we can write as if we need to find out the vice versa of the 0, we can write the infinite. Okay, so here sec 90 degree, the value will be infinite. Similarly, we can also write easily the value of the cot 0 degree, cot 30 degree, cot 45 degree, cot 60 degree, cot 90 degree. Dear students, you consider all these the informations about the trigonometric ratio. How can learn and write these are the very simple steps to learn and write. First of all, you need to learn of this sin cos tan. After that, these are remains 3 term of the trigonometric ratio will be the vice versa. If you have completed the 1 second of the 3 units sin cos tan as a form of 0 to 90 degree as the form of the complementary angles, after that you will be able to learn and write very easily, just like meanings of the opposite form. Look at here. Cot, we want to write the trigonometric ratio of cot 0 degree. So first of all, think about the tan 0 degree. What is the value of tan 0 degree, sir? 0. So we need to find the as the opposite form of the answer. So infinite is the opposite of the 0. Next, cot 30 degree. First of all, also think about the tan 30 degree. Okay, 1 by root 3. First of all, find the opposite root 3. And cot 45 degree. So we think the tan 45 degree 1. And 1 is the opposite of the 1 directly. Cot 60 degree. So think about the tan 60 degree root 3. So we can write as 1 by root 3. Okay, because root 3 1 is hidden as a default under the denom part. Cot 90 degree. So we thanks so things about the tan 90 degree infinite, and we know that 0 is the opposite of infinite. Already I discussed few minutes ago. Now look at here. infinite is the opposite of 0 or 0 is the opposite of infinite. Both are that match the same meaning here. And this is the finance table for the exercise 8.2. If you have completed one against, you will remember very easily, and you can solve all these questions related to this exercise. There will be no any problems if you clear all the topics from these tables. So, dear students, first of all you learn and understand the meaning of the trigonometric ratio as the form of the some special angles. After that, you realize you will be able to solve all the questions under the given this topic. Okay. Tomorrow I will make some special questions about the trigonometric ratio as a form of the special angles, and I would like to discuss on coming the classes. So thanks for watching, and if you new on my channels, please subscribe and press the bell icons to get the latest notifications. That is why when I upload my video. Thanks for watching.